my goodness. Today, I feel like vlogging here in YouTube. OMG. Charot. Ano, sobrang na-miss ko yung ganitong pagbablog, guys. So anyway, by the way, highway. For today's kaganapan and for today's agenda, I am going to take you guys with me. Yes, yo! Don't worry, guys. We're not going anywhere because I'm only gonna take you guys with me cleaning our house. I cannot go out today's store because, you know, the allergies and everything that is going on this season is very not really good to me, okay? It's not really good for my health. It's not really good peeling, sister, because too much allergies can damage your emotional damage. So, natin mag-English, just me, man. Meron na mag-English. So, anyway, by the way, highway. Tagalog na lang ako, ha? Ang dami kong gustong sabihin, pero pag English kasi, nagiging limitado na lang yung sasabihin ko kasi yun lang yung alam kong English is. But anyway, sobrang na-miss ko to. So, let's go. Let's eat breakfast, okay? Welcome to my very humble home. Nag-prepare ako ng lunch ni David today, kaya naman ang aking kitchen is very messy, sister. And he just left. That's why I haven't done anything yet except nag-prepare ako ng baon niya for lunch. That's all I did this morning. But don't worry, we have a long day to do everything today. Ayun na naman, English ka na naman, sis! So, una, I like my camera. Oh my goodness, sister. I really love my phone. Kasi ang ganda ng camera, guys. Ang ganda! Hindi kita yung mga pores na. So anyway, mag-init tayo ng tubig, sis. Kaya magkape muna tayo. Kay wala pang laman ng tiyan. Photo yan mamaya, sesto. Sister, my husband forgot the water outside. So I have to get it. It's very tiring, sister. But what can you do? Life must go on. And I thank you. Emma! For today's tea, I've been drinking this one, guys. Super laki ng tulong niya para hindi ka maging bloated tummy. Ganon. Basta. Kasi lahat ng kinain mo na hindi lumabas is mailalabas niya talaga. Zes! And sobrang sarap sa piling. Ang gaan sa piling. I 100 recommend this one because it's 100% useful to your health. And I mabuhay. Charot. Halata naman yan kasi, sis, no? Tingnan nyo naman. Ang tawag dito ay si Timmy Colon. And isang piraso na lang pala ang laman nito, sis. Kasi grabe ko din inumin to, sis. Kasi sobrang laking tulong talaga niya. Like, tingnan nyo, isa na lang ang laman. So, I hope I have some stock because I think I'm addicted to it. Sure. Sa kasamaang palad, naubusan tayo ng honey. Shout out to my honey bunch. Naubusan na rin tayo ng stevia. All I have here is brown sugar. You see, guys, this is my life every day. If you're just wondering and asking, but wala naman nagtatanong, sinabi ko lang. Let's have some coffee! Dahil nabasag yung lagayan neto, kung saan ka magtitimpla para masala. So ngayon, baso-baso na lang tayo, guys! Kasi no budget to buy another one. Nilagay ko kasi, guys, siya sa washer. And yun ang nangyari, guys. Wala na tayong magagawa because life must go on. Nilagay lang ako ng super kaunting sugar because we don't have to have diabetes, you know. This one is pre-diabetic. Let's have my takure with the hot water. Super helpful. Kasi electric siya, guys. Very affordable, you know. At this, affordable siya. Portable o affordable or affordable? Portable? Basta yun na yun. Hindi siya kamahalan, ganun. Yun yung ibig sabihin ko, guys. Stress ako dun, guys. And if you're asking, even nobody's asking, just in case you ask, I bought that from Amazon. Very cheap. And guess what? I've been using that for like 2 years and a half. Because I bought that when we moved here. So we're almost like, I think magti 3 years na kami dito. We moved here 2022. So it's, magti 3 years. Yeah, magti 3 years, sis. Ang bilis ng panahon, di ba? Parang dati lang mga sis, no? Kung saan kami lumilipat ng asawa ko. But now, tumatagal na kami, sis, sa aming tinitirahan. Kasi before, move kami ng move. Like katulad yung una naming bahay sa Marble Falls, if you remember that. Parang 1 year lang kami tumira doon, sis. Tapos, binenta na namin agad, di ba? Tapos, nag-move kami dito. And, magtatatlong taan na kami dito, mga zester. I think mga August kami nag-move dito or September. I don't know. Kasi February pa lang naglilipat na kami dito ng mga gamit namin. So anyway, sa ilang taon na nagdaan, sobrang daming nangyari. Super blessed ako kasi so far so good ang life sa amin. May mga nagdaan mang problema, but just ignore it, you know. Let God handle it. Para hindi ka ma-depress, hindi ka ma-stress, hindi ka magkasakit. Kasi stress is one of the cause of the sickness. Basta yun na yun, guys. Kasi pag stress ka, ang dami mong masakit sa katawan, ganun. It's either papayat ka pag stress ka or jujubis ka, ganun. Dalawa lang yan kasi di ba may stress eating. Tapos may stress naman na hindi ka na kumakain, like hindi na yun stress, depressed na yun mga sis. So that's why when you have a problem, just pray to God. Let God handle your problem and let God worry your problem. That's my motto, guys, in life. So what's yours? So inumin na natin to before pa lumamig mga sister, because today is gonna be a long day for me. Column tea is the best. Dati ayaw ko itong inumin, but now parang I'm addicted to it, sister. Kasi maganda naman talaga siya, guys. Lahat ng pinapasok mo sa bibig mo, nilalabas niya din ganun. Pero hindi agad-agad na lalabas ha. Like today, ininom ka ng morning. Tonight, sinasabi ko sa inyo, or later mamayang tanghali, lalabas na ang mga toxin, mga toxic sa iyong body. Sana all. Lahat ng toxic na alis. Konting sugar lang nilagay ko, pero parang matamis na. No choice eh. Hindi ko kasi kaya itong inumin kapag walang sugar, guys. So how are you guys doing? I miss you guys. I miss the people here on YouTube. So, ang tagal ko ding nawala. Kasi guys, alam niyo ba kung bakit ang tagal kong nawala? Siyempre guys, lumipat ako dun sa kabila, sa Blue Up. Kasi that time, mas malaki ang kitaan dun, guys. So ngayon, I find out na mas malaki pala ang kitaan dito sa YouTube ulit. Back and forth lang ako, ganun-ganon. So kung napansin nyo, bihira na lang ako mag-upload dito kasi nandun ako sa kabila. So kung saan yung may kita na medyo, you know, in demand, is doon ako. But I tried my best na mag-upload dito. But you know, sometimes nakakalimutan ko. Sometimes, syempre, busy-busyhan tayo as a homestay wife. You know? Kasi hindi lang pagbablog ang ginagawa ko, guys, kundi maraming bagay. Like, kailangan ko asikaso yung asawa ko, ganun. Ultimate katulong tayo dito, guys. Charot lang. So anyway, let's have some tea. May mga nangyaring, and in the past 3 years na hindi ako nag-vlog dito sa YouTube ng ganito. Ang daming nagdaan, like super. Like may isang bagay talaga na nangyari sa buhay ko, sa pamilya ko, na sobrang masakit para sa amin. Kaya, yun. Parang wala kang ganang gumawa ng mga bagay na hilig mo. Dahil, ano lutang ganun. Siguro, depressed ka, ganun. Pero, with the help of God, here I am, standing in front of you. Kala mo naman. Ang lagi ko sinasabi, no matter what, kahit anumang problemang dumating, life must go on. Cheers tayo, guys! Kaya I pray to God na this 2025, not only for me, but for you too, guys, na more blessings to come. And good health, long life, and more followers to come. Char! Tayo na yun.